Hey guys, welcome back. So I just want to show you what I'm doing here. So here are the two 10 millimeter plates that are going to sit 76 millimeters apart, which is the distance of the bar magnets that I'm still waiting for. I have a bunch of them. Oh, you know what? I should have put a bunch in so you could have seen. Anyway, and then I created a test skin, which is going to go around this. I see that I have to make it a little bit tighter, but the test skin will go around it like that. And I'm going to make the test skin out of the copper infused PLA. But I'm going to have to shrink it down. I don't know why I did a test piece and it was really tight on the test piece. That's all right. I think maybe that's because oh, I see what it is. So when it's closer to the bed, yeah, it's tighter. You can see that right there. Okay. When it's closer to the bed, it's tighter. And this is the top part. And so this guy will go in here like this, or actually, let's go like this. Because, yeah, it'll go like that. And so that's the size it's going to be. Anyway, just a real quickie. I just wanted to kind of show you. And I'm going to go with an 8 millimeter shaft, which is the size, the original size. I'm not going to go with this. I think this is like a 6 millimeter. That's way too small for something this big, and it's going to be pretty heavy, even though I made these nice holes. And it lines up perfectly too, if I do it like this or if I do it like this. So this is the bottom. This is the texture part. And I had some weird artifacts, some weird lines in there. I'm not really sure what that's all about, but it lines up perfectly. I've already test fitted the shaft and the bar magnets, and they fit really nice and tight, which is perfect. That's what I want. I just got to tweak this skin, and I printed this skin out in vase mode, so it's really thin. I think I'm going to print it out in regular mode, not vase mode, because I mean, vase mode is great, but it is a little too thin. As you can see, that is really thin. Yeah, I'll have to see. This was the test piece. Yeah, I don't know why it's so loose. The test piece that I did was really tight. Let me see. Oh, well, anyway, that's no big deal. No big deal. And again, I'm going to keep, I'm going to keep the gray, the gunmetal PLA for the hold the magnets, but the outer shell is going to be that copper infused PLA. Come on, let's see how long it spins for. I don't think anybody's going to hang around. It'll spin for a long time. La-da-dee, la-da-da, la-da-dee, na-na-na-na. No, I wouldn't do that to you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Ciao.